Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. Myself Manjunath Bhandari. In today's class, I am going to take a blood relationship. Friends, here I am going to take in today's class I am going to take a blood relationship. I will be saying what all topics I will be covering here means concept of blood relationship, how we have to write the blood relationship, what all relationships we have. So all this concept I will be telling you. Okay students, let's start the class students. Students, one more thing. Before starting the class, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Okay students, now let's begin the class. Blood relationship friends. In blood relationship, first we must know how to write these symbols. There is some symbols are there for male and female. For male, female. First for male we will be writing as plus. These all symbols we must know it. For male plus, for female we will take minus. Okay students, first one. Second one, same generation. For same generation we will be taking a arc like this. Okay students, for different generation. For different we will be taking a straight horizontal line. Okay, for horizontal. Always friends, in horizontal line, upper part will be older people will be writing upper, younger people will be writing on downside. Okay, on top will be older, bottom will be the younger people who are writing. Okay, third one, husband or wife. Husband or wife, where you will be using this symbol, arrow, this symbol. There, these symbols will be writing. Okay, students, note it down. Students, here, these all symbols will be helpful to draw the figure of a blood relationship. Blood relationship, if you want to know means you must know this all symbol. Okay. For male or female, we will be taking plus or minus. For same generation, we will be taking this type of arrow. For different generation means we will be taking this one, straight line, vertical line, and for husband or wife, we will be taking this type of symbol. Okay, students, got it? Okay. Okay. Now, okay, students, right now. Students, now I will be saying that you a relationship of what you. Students, you will be there. Father and mother. Father means top, younger means you. So your upper portion will be top. So your father will be on the top. So I will take father here. Father and mother. For father I will be taking positive, for mother I will be taking minus. This is a relationship, some basic chart is there. This is a chart. This is the chart of your family. So this is a chart of family. So I will be saying all the niece, nephew, cousins, all will be there. It will be helpful for the chart. Okay, so now you are there. Your mother and father is there. Your mother, brother, what will be calling? Your mother, brother, what will you call it? Uncle, maternal uncle. We call them as maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. Father, brother, what will be calling? Uncle. Paternal uncle, they will be calling. Paternal uncle. Your father, sister will be calling aunt. Your mother, sister will be calling, you will be calling maternal aunt. Students, mother side all will be calling as maternal only. Father side will be calling mostly paternal. Which you are there. Now you are there. Your wife means we will be taking these symbols. be taking minus. So your wife sister is there. What will you call it? Your wife sister is there. You will be calling sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Next, you are there. You have a brother. This we will call him brother. If they have a sister means sister, we will take him minus. Okay, students, now got it. Students, now one more thing. Now your uncle is there, aunt is there. Your aunt's son is there. What for you? Your aunt's son will be calling as cousin. Cousin may be plus or minus, both you can take. Plus or minus, you can take anything. Your aunt is there. Your aunt has a son or a daughter. They will be calling as cousin only. Cousin plus or minus, you can take anything. Okay, sir. Now next one, you are there. Your sister is there. Own sister is there. Your own sister son is there. Or your brother got married and he has a daughter. So what they will call him? From you, he will be calling as nephew. Nephew for you have your brother, sister, son, daughter is there. So you will call it as niece. Okay, students, got it? Now see this also same. Nice. I will take it as nice. Okay, sir. Now you and your wife is there. You have a children. This means 1 plus 1 minus means this will be called as son. This will be called as daughter. Students, it is very useful chart. You just memorize all the relationship you will be getting. Whole family relationship you will be getting. Okay, students. Now son and daughter. Your daughter got married to a person. What will you be calling? You will be calling from you son-in-law. So students, it is son-in-law. So your son got married. What will you call him from you? Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Okay, students, what is from you? Your grandsons. From you, first and second, third generation people from you, they will call it plus. Plus means grandsons. Grandson. If you have daughter means granddaughter. You will be getting this like. So now students, one more thing. Your mother is there. Your wife is there. Your wife mother. Your wife mother. Your wife mother. What will you call him from you? Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Your wife father means we will call it father-in-law. Okay, sir. Now you are there. Your father is there. Your father will be calling grandfather. Grandfather, students. Your grandfather brother, what will you call him? Granduncle. So students, in this way the relationship are formed. Please note it down and remember the relationship what you will be getting. See students, from you your wife is your wife, mother is mother-in-law for you, father is father-in-law. Your wife's sister means we will be calling as sister-in-law. Your wife's sister, son, daughter or son, daughter means niece, son means nephew. You are there. Your brother is there. Your brother, daughter means niece. Your sister son means nephew. See students, your sister husband, what will you call it? Brother-in-law. You will be calling brother-in-law. So your brother wife will be calling sister-in-law. Then their daughters. Okay, students. Now cousins means your mother is there, students. Your mother, uncle or aunt, sons will be calling as cousins, or your father, uncle, aunt will be calling as cousins. You is there. Okay, students, and you means your daughter is there. Daughter, husband, you will be calling son-in-law. Your daughter, your son's wife, you will be calling daughter-in-law. Their children will call me grandson or granddaughter. In this way, the whole relationship you must know it. Okay, students, got it? Students, now you please note it down. I will say some basic I will say some basic tricks how to write the question and how to solve it. Okay, sir. You note it down this one. Now I will be writing a question. I will be say how to tackle the problem of blood relationship. Okay, students. Okay, note it down this one. Okay, students. Screenshot it otherwise. Students, now in graduation we have to read the question from the back side. From the front we have to, if you read from the back side, it will be very helpful. So now one example is A is the father of B. First example I will be taking A is the father of B. Students, how will be writing here this one? See students, off is there now. This is a question. This type of question will be coming. Off is there now. First point we will take off. Of course, first point I have to take B. First I will write B. See student, A is the father. This is the first. This part will be the first question. This will be the second question. Of course, is the first you have to write B. After that, A is the father of B. Father is the older person. So I will take upper narrow is there. A is the father of B means they are different generation. A is father means upper generation will be different. So I will be taking straight line. A is father. Father means father always will be older. So older people will be up. A older and younger. So what? A is the father. Father means always positive. This is a will. So this is the question, friends. In this way you have to solve it. Okay. A is the father of means B have to write. After that, A is upper portion, then have to write. In this way, I have to write. Okay, sir? Okay, sir? One more thing I will write it. A is the brother of B. A is the brother of B. Students, here, of course, on B. First, I will write B. A is the brother. Brother means same generation. Same generation. Here it is different generation. Same generation means I will be taking this way. A, I will write, right. A is brother. For your brother means I will be taking brother means positive. If A is the sister of means A will be negative. Okay, student? Got it? Question? Note it down. So next question. Next one. A is the son of B. Here A is the son of B means first we are going to after B. B. Son means younger one. So I will write downside. I will take younger. A. A is son of B. A is first. In this way I have to write this one. A is the son of B. B afterwards. A is the son means downside will come. A is the son of B. Question. Next one. A is the wife of B. A is the wife of B. Means how writing A and B are husband and wife means they will be of same generation. So I will be taking A. B. Husband of means arrow symbol, husband or wife symbol. A is the wife means A is the wife means of course B. First and A is the wife means A is minus. Automatically minus means husband will be positive. B is positive. Okay, sir? Got it? This is very simple. Just concentrate the concept. You will be getting everything. Okay. You can note it down this one. So students, next one. A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B. So I will be writing A sister of B, B I will be writing first. Sister means same generation. A means in this way I have to write it. Okay students. Now next one. A is the daughter of B. Students, A is the daughter of B. Means here I will write first B. Daughter means younger generation. So I will take line in this way. After A I have to write. A daughter is minus. So in this way I have to write. So friends, in this way I have to write. So students, now I have completed all the basic concept of blood relationship. Okay students, okay students, now we'll solve some problems friends here. Students, one more thing. I will be updating the question paper in Telegram channel. There you can download the question paper. Here I will be giving the solution. Okay students? Got it? Okay students. I'll give my Telegram channel. We note it on this one first. Friends, there is no space in between. Manju Bandari. This is my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. You can download the question paper here. I will be uploading all the question papers in my Telegram channel so that you can download it. Otherwise, I will give my thumbnail. In that, I will be giving my thumbnail this one. Okay, friends, Telegram channel. Okay, friends. Now let's start some problems, friends. I will be writing the questions here. Questions I will be writing the one or two questions so that it will be helpful. After that, I'll be solving directly. Okay, first two questions I will be writing. Questions. Okay, blood relationship. First question. First question in this one. Question is: B is the husband of P. Q is the only grandson of E. Only grandson of E. Who is wife of D. And mother-in-law of P. How is B related to D? Okay, students. This is the question. This is the question of blood relationship. Okay, students. Now here we have to write all the basic ones which are given. We have to put in this. All you have to mingle it. Okay. B is the husband of P. Afterwards, whatever will come, we have to write first one. First, we have to write P. B is the husband of P. Means husband and relationship are this. B. B is the husband plus. Automatically, B will be minus. Okay, sir. This is first one. Next one is friends. Q is the only grandson of E. Of E. Afterwards, E have to E. Q is the only grandson of E. E only grandson means there is a only grandson of it means there are two generations are there. So first generation and second. Generally you will get Q. Q is the grandson means plus. Question got it. Next one. Who is the wife of Q? See student, who always will be indicating the previous one. This one. Who, which, where, always indicating the previous one. So who here is E. Here who means E. E is the wife of D. Means E is the wife of D. Of first D. D wife is E. Means this type. You see? D is wife. And mother-in-law of P. And mother-in-law of P. And always come to this point E. and always the me. E mother-in-law of P means mother-in-law means his son will be there or daughter will be there. P will be here. Okay, friends. E is mother-in-law of P. Okay, friends. Got it? P means there are relations, so I will put here. Put here means what will B plus P plus. So this is the whole relationship we got from this question. Now, students, how is B related to D? From D, what is B? The question is from D. D is here, students. From D, two of course first we will take D. From D to B. Okay, students, what will be the B relationship? From D to B, it is son. Son. From D to B, it is son. Okay, students, got it? One more time I will explain it. B is the husband of P means P husband is B. Q is the only son of E. His only son is Q. E, who is the wife of D? E is the wife of D. And mother-in-law of P means P's mother-in-law is E. How? So, students, this is the figure we will be getting. Question. Afterwards, B related to D means D to B. What is? It is son. So the answer will be son. Okay, students. Okay, students. Here. So, okay, students. Now I made up the class. One more thing, students. It is very easy concept, students. You just understand the basic things very well. Afterwards, you can solve any type of problems in this way. Question. From the next class, I will be going to solve the blood relationship directly. In Telegram channel, I will be uploading my question papers. I will be uploading my video. Okay, students. Question. Hope you liking my video very well, students. Students, one more thing. Please like it, subscribe it, and share the video, friends. Okay, students. Thank you.